Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Belanda Torres. I am 32 years old. I live with my sister. I have a baby. He's 8 years old. I'm studying business management in UNAT. I am in 8th semester. I'm going to talk about a festival that takes place in Bogota, or outside of Bogota. Its name is Festival Stereo Picnic. The next event will be the next year, since April 3rd to April 5th. Um, uh, this festival will be founded or will be created for some independent group in 2010. Um, this group used like to promote events. It was held in the Sabana de Bogota, always having national and international artists, musicians. The music genres that this festival has are rock, pop, electronic music, new folklore, among others. Um, this event, besides to have artists, musicians, it has cultural and entertainment activities. Um, the people can enjoy food and art, whatever, wherever. Um, for this event in April, uh, will be invited Guns N' Roses, Strokes, the Chemical Brothers, among others. Thank you.